Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS Animated Loader. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS Animated Loader. Inside the body, we want to add a div and class name is Loader1. Inside this, we want to create another div and class name is Loader2. Inside this we want to create another div and class name Loader3. Finally we want to create another div and class name is Loader4. Save the file. Refresh. The title is changed. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Let's start to style our body. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center and height is 100 vh, width 100%, and we want to add background color, that was #262626ff. Save the file. Refresh. The background color is okay. Let's start to style our div. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center and border is 10 pixel solid transparent, and we want that border radius, that was 50%, and we want that animation name was loader 2 second and ease in out infinity. Let's start to style our class Loader1. Inside this, height 300 pixel, width 300 pixel and border bottom color was coral and border top color was coral. Save the file. Refresh. The Loader1 is visible. Let's copy this Loader1 and paste it 3 times. And this is Loader2. Height is 250, width 250, and this is left and this is right, and the color is orange and this color is orange, and we want to change this Loader3 height 200 pixel, width 200 pixel and color is yellow, and this color is also yellow, and we want to add this transform rotate 45 degree, and this is Loader4. Height is 150 pixel, width 150 pixel, and this is left and this is right, and we want to change these colors deep pink, and we want that transform rotate 90 degree. Save the file. Refresh. The loaders are visible. Let's create our animation. Keyframes and animation name is loader. Inside this 0% transform rotate 180 degree and filter hue rotate, that was 0 degree, and copy this 0% and paste it one time. This is 100% and this is 360 degree, finally 360 degree. Save the file. Refresh. The loader is working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.